Today, we're going to look closely at the 7 quickest robots globally, and you won't believe what these robots can do. Keep watching the video until the end. Number 7. Mabel, meet Mabel, a 2-legged robot created by scientists at the University of Michigan that has changed how we learn about how humans walk. Unlike normal robots, Mabel walks in a way that's like how humans naturally move. This means Mabel uses gravity and momentum to move, not engines or other outside forces. This makes it look more smooth and natural. Mabel can run up to 6.8 miles per hour. This helps scientists study how humans walk and run. It has been used to learn about different shoes, how walking on rough land works, and how robots can be used in helping people move better. Number 6. Atrias. Atrias, made by researchers at Oregon State University and Agility Robotics, walks and runs like humans with great accuracy. It can change its walking style to move efficiently on different ground. It can even recover when something unexpected happens. Atrias can run up to 6.8 miles per hour. Scientists had used it for different studies, like how different control methods affect how it moves and how it can help people with movement problems. Number 5. Sub-1. Sub-1 is a cool robot created by a German company called Infineon. It looks different, like a sphere with arms, and it's good at doing many things. It can solve the Rubik's Cube puzzle really fast using its special chips and cameras. It solved the puzzle in just 0.637 seconds, making a new world record. This robot might change how things are made, moved, and cared for in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Number 4. WildCat. The WildCat robot by Boston Dynamics is an amazing 4-legged robot built for outdoor use. It's super fast, running at 16 miles per hour, and can go through rough places easily. It can even keep its balance on its own and recover from surprises. This makes it great for searching, rescuing, and exploring. Number 3. Outrunner. Outrunner is a small robot made by a team in Robotics Unlimited. It's only 3 pounds and less than 2 feet tall, but it can go really fast, up to 20 miles per hour. It can run for a long time with one battery charge. This little robot has legs that look like Pac-Man, and it has big plans for helping in search and rescue missions and exploring tough places. Number 2. Raptor. Raptor is a robot from South Korea that's inspired by speedy dinosaurs. It has 2 legs and can run super fast, up to 28.5 miles per hour. Its legs and feet help it balance and move well. Although it's connected to a power source now, it might be able to move freely in the future. This robot could be useful in rescues and military missions. Number 1. MIT Cheetah. MIT Cheetah is a special robot made by MIT scientists with support from the U.S. Department of Defense. It has powerful motors and sensors that help it move and jump really well. It can run at an incredible 29.2 miles per hour and jump over things up to 16 inches tall. This robot could be used for carrying things in the military and rescues. It's inspired by the world's fastest land animal, the cheetah. That was quite exciting, right? From robots that act like cheetahs to small ones that run really fast, the robot world keeps impressing us. We don't know what other cool robots we'll see in the future, but one thing's sure: the race to make robots faster and better isn't stopping anytime soon. Keep watching for more amazing tech innovations.